Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go do it.
Guys, what is this? हम दोनों के बीच की एक हफ्ते की दूरी सालों की तरह गुजरती है. Well, I'm sure आप सब ये सोच रहे हैं कि आपकी सोशल जॉकी निकिता आज इतनी ड्रामेबाज कैसे हो गई है? When she's supposed to be playing our requests and giving us Twitter updates. Well, वो इसीलिए नौटंकी सारा देखकर तो कोई भी ड्रामेबाज हो जाएगा. But I must say, आयुष्मान, good job. And कुणाल रॉय कपूर, आपको देखकर तो ना बड़ी सैड फीलिंग होती है. You're so innocent and पूरी मूवी में आपके ऊपर बहुत ही पिटी फीलिंग आती है. But about the girls, well, उन पर तो मैं कमेंट नहीं करूँगी. I'll leave it to the boys. For now, what I'm going to do is let's take our first request for the show, which is from Nautanki Sara. The song is Thak Thak. जो request किया है कृष्णा ने for all her sweet friends and उनका messages. Hi my dear friends, how are you all? Well, I'm going to say goodbye to you all through this lovely channel Zoom. From this time, I can't be in contact with you all, but I will never forget the time we spent together. I'm going to miss you all very badly. Why would you say that you're not going to be in contact with your friends? वो भी आजकल के ज़माने में जब Facebook है, Twitter है and what not. So it's just not possible. इसीलिए smile now because this lovely channel Zoom is going to play a request. Well, you know what I like about this movie is कि जितने भी old songs हैं ना, उनके काफी cool remixes use किए हैं इन लोगों ने इस movie में. Well, apart from this song, there are two other songs. So let me test your knowledge. आप लोग जरा मेरे Twitter handle पर बताइए @GoZoomIn कि वो दूसरे दो songs कौन से हैं. Till then, I'll show you a Twitter update of a real Nautanki team. Well, recently, Karan Johar has tweeted saying, "Post Toifa Awards, fun times." So those really look like fun times. अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोग off screen भी smile कर सकते हैं. चलो, good to know. For now, we'll move on to our next request, which is फिर मोहब्बत, जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है जय रॉकस्टार ने कल्याणी के लिए. And उनका message is, "This song is for you, Kalyani. I thought that we would be close for some time, but you went and never came back in my life. I miss you." So, Mr. Rockstar, I think कि आपकी thinking ही wrong है. What you should have thought is कि you and Kalyani should always be together. फिर वो कभी आपके पास से जाती ही नहीं. And अगर आपको अभी फिर मोहब्बत हो गई है, तो no worries, ये गाना सुनकर वो वापस जरूर आ जाएंगी. Guys, इस गाने के बाद अब मेरा मन कर रहा है एक ब्रेक लेने का, लेकिन आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करते रहिए on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita और आप देख रहे हैं Zoom It. वक्त है अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट को देखने का. So let's see. Our next request is दगाबाज ने जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है पलाश जैन ने अपनी lovely callers के लिए. And उनका message is, "This song is dedicated to all my callers who ever listen to this song as my caller tune. Love you all my callers who specially call me दगाबाज." इतने उटपटांग messages, लेकिन honestly speaking, you having your caller tune as दगाबाज नैन is still okay. ये तो आजकल लोग इतनी strange caller tunes लगते हैं. अब मैं आपको क्या बताऊं? I wish I could actually play some of those caller tunes. लेकिन फिलहाल हम जरा पलाश की caller tunes सुन लेते हैं. Well, what's the first thing that comes into your mind with this sound? यही ना कि किसी को गोली लगी है. Well, अब आपको अपना जो perception है साउंड के बारे में वो चेंज करना पड़ेगा. वो इसलिए because now after चश्मे बदूर, this means a love bullet. If you don't believe me, हमारी जो अगली रिक्वेस्ट है it is दिश क्याओ from the movie चश्मे बदूर, जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है आकाश ने रोशन और आशीष के लिए. And उनका मैसेज is, "Even when we are states apart, we always have the good memories with us we had in the beautiful city of Bangalore, all the fun we had in the malls and theaters even during the bankrupt times, but I will be there to have a blast during our birthdays." मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप ये सॉन्ग ना अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड या स्पेशल समवन को डेडिकेट करेंगे, but that's okay since you had good memories with your best friends and actually good memories are with best friends only. अब वो bankrupt times हो, pocket money times हो, they are all memorable. You know, after watching this song, I'm just imagining कि if you start singing and dancing with your special someone on a boat like that, वैसे in real when you fall in love, तो ऐसे बोट के ऊपर उछल के तो कोई डांस नहीं करता है. And just imagine someone like Shilpa Shetty, उन्होंने movies में तो ये बहुत किया है, but real life में imagine her dancing with Raj Kundra. I think that's simply too funny. But for now, let me show you what she has tweeted. She tweets saying, "With my boyfriend, Raj Kundra." I think you must have broken his heart. लेकिन इस पिक्चर में तो वो काफी स्माइल कर रहे हैं, तो I'm assuming कि वो हार्ट ब्रोकन नहीं है. चलो, let me not break your hearts and move on to our next request, which is बिन तेरे, जो डेडिकेट किया है गायत्री ने अश्विनी रेड्डी के लिए. And उनका message is, I would not find anyone as special as y'all. Y'all made me experience the most bitter moments, but I've learned a lot from them. Thanks for everything. Okay, so you've written the name of one person and आपने गाना सबको डेडिकेट किया है.